Hi ladies, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a party in your back office. So when you go to Tot and you go to your virtual office, you're going to go ahead and hit parties. And when you create all your parties, this is where you're going to find all of your parties that you have set up in your back office. We're going to go ahead and create a new party. So right here is where you would put your party name, and me and her haven't actually picked out a theme yet, so for right now I'm just going to put Elizabeth's party. Me and her have to go back and pick a theme, so we would pick some sort of theme like cider and totes or something fun for fall. And then this is going to be a home party, but as you can see, you can scroll down and then you're going to find all the different types of parties that you can set it as. But hers is a home party. Me and her are working on picking a date right now, but I know we're going to be in November, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a date. And then we do know that it's going to be at 6:30. Now I will go back in here and change the date, but just so that way I can show you guys how to do it. And then you're going to want to fill out your hostess's information. And she should already be in my back office. So I'm going to go ahead and click her name, and it's going to autofill all of her information for me. We're going to hit save and continue. Oh, I don't know why her phone number is not there. Let me do that real quick. Okay, now we're going to hit save and continue. Go ahead and update that. Okay, so as you can see, we got our home party, the date and time. I'm going to hit ship to consultant because she only lives down the road for me, and so it's going to ship to me instead of her. Since she's local, I'll be able to drop it off to her or her pick it up. And by having all of her orders shipped to me, that's going to allow me to go ahead and sort the orders for her so she doesn't have to do that. And if I want to add my personal touch, like a thank you card or a mini catalog, I can do that. And then right here, this is very important, show on your side. You want to make, on your site, you want to make sure that's clicked so that way guests, when they go to your website, they will be able to find your hostess's party link. If we didn't click that, then it would not show up for them. I'm going to unclick mine just for right now, just because me and her are still working on a date and a theme. And then, as you can see right now, I just left the party description blank, but I will update that too once we pick a theme. And then right here is going to be your hostess's party link. We're going to go ahead and save and update that. And continue. And I think it's saved. So then, as you can see, if we go back to parties and scroll down, right there is her party. Super simple. I hope that helps some of you guys. If you have any more questions, just let me know.